How to delete your Zangi account permanently. Hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching how to delete your Zangi account permanently. When to delete your Zangi account permanently, here is the way to do it. Delete your Zangi account permanently, all you need to do is open up your Zangi right here. So once your Zangi has been opened up, on the bottom right corner, you will see settings right there. Press on the settings, the bottom right corner. Now to delete our account right here, you will see privacy. Just below the chats right there. Press on the privacy right there. After pressing on the privacy right there, you'll be located right here to privacy and see we have the block. So here are all the people you see that block, or you want to add people there. Block, just press on the plus icon in the top right corner right there. Easy as that. And here on the bottom is a delete account. All we need to do, if you want to really delete your account, press on delete account right there. Here, it will notice you. Are you sure you will lose all your message and call histories right there once you click on the delete? So if you want to really delete it right here, you can just clear it if you want, like self-destruct. You can add self-destruct if you buy the premium, but if you don't, you can just clear messages. But if you really want to delete the app right here, everything, messages, calls will be gone. So all we need to do right now is click on delete. After pressing on delete, it will show deleting your account. And now there you go guys, now our account has been deleted. And if you're asking how can I recover it, no, you can't recover it. Once you've deleted it, it's gone permanently. So yeah, there you guys, there you go. Hope you guys did the video, push enjoyed. If you have no question or concerns, you can always type it to our question below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible and here on how to rock it guys. See you in the next one guys, and hopefully you watch other videos about Zangi. So there, so thank you guys.